Hey, welcome back to MarineMax. My name is Leo Johnson, and today you join me in front of a all-new, brand-new, in-stock 2026 Harris Cruiser 230. This particular boat is in the matte black exterior color with the black fence railings. We've done the power Bimini up top, the 200 horsepower 6-cylinder Mercury out back, and new for 2026, this boat has the Chestnut interior as part of the Luxe package on this boat. Let's climb aboard and check out some of the interior features. Climbing aboard this 2026 Cruiser 230, we've got, of course, our 200 horsepower V6 we talked about earlier. This boat's also going to have a ski tow bar here that is rated for 1,000 pounds and is tube rated as well. On the Harris models, you've got these chains that can come across here as part of your integrated fender holders. This particular boat, of course, has that chestnut interior with the new Luxe package diamond stitching. This one is in the SLDH layout. It's a very popular layout from Harris. Got a 3-position rear lounger here. You can go all the way flat. The DH is going to be your 2 captain's chairs that both swivel, slide, and recline. We've also got flip-down armrests on both sides. New for 2026, Harris has introduced Wet Sounds audio as standard on the Cruiser lineup. It's a great sound system. This one has the upgraded package here, controlled through this head unit. On the helm, you're also going to have the upgraded Simrad NSX series screen. It's a multifunction display with charts. You've got Mercury engine data, fish finder, depth finder, all that kind of stuff. Wireless phone charger on this boat, power Bimini controls, and then your digital throttle and shift. Your driver's also going to have a nice cubby down below for their phone and some cup holders as well. This boat's got the center ski locker. It's a great option. It's a great place to store your cover or tubes. And then over here, we've got some additional storage where you see we've got the cover right now. Something important to note on these Harris pontoons, with this being a 23-foot boat, we've got a very large side door here, great for access. Up at the bow, this particular boat is equipped with the filler seat that is removable. We've got storage in here as well as underneath all your seats. It's a great spot to hang out here. USB chargers at the front, cup holders for your forward passengers, and as part of the Luxe package, you're also going to have armrests up here for your forward passengers in their forward-facing seating area. This is a great boat for the family, one of our most popular models, and now with the Luxe package for 2026, it's a beautiful boat for the water. Give us a call, check us out at MarineMax.com, or stop by today to experience more Harris Cruiser and Cruiser Luxe boats in person. Thanks for watching.